Yo, what's that? ZPG new front bar for the BMW. Ooh. Wait, what? You can't. What?
Oh, not me.
Oh yeah. So boom, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you can see right here, there is a new front bar for Manhs BMW. And I know all of you BM guys right now are creaming hard because, you know, in the past few videos, this BM has been featured quite a lot. So right here is a new bumper. Fine, we're gonna try and test fit it on today. So what bumper is it?
It's an M3 replica front bar.
M3? Damn, bro. I told you, just check on the M3 badge, bro.
We're gonna pick up the front lip later.
Oh yeah, also with this front bar right here, mine got like a carbon lip for it. So if we have time, we'll go pick it up and we'll have a sus. But in the meantime, we're gonna go get some food. But before that, let's go pick up Type S Chem. Wait, it's not Type S Chem anymore.
Oh.
He sold it. Oh, my voice broke. He sold it. Far out, bro. We've been out here for like 15 minutes and Hank still hasn't came out. But in the meantime, suss this out. Man wrapped his, you know, interior into this black suede. You know how it used to be like this wood grain material, but now suss it out. Wow, looks sick, eh?
Still in the works here.
Yep, and he also done that side right there. But here, you know, hasn't had time to finish it off. And maybe here. Oh yeah, 100 times way better or nah?
I don't know.
What do you guys reckon? Wood grain or suede? Oh wait, the suede at the start looked a bit too much, but now I think I'm getting used to it. It's good now. Fuck, ZPG bleach. Is this bleach?
Yeah, it's bleach, you know.
Fuck. Bro, come out already, can. Far out. Oh, rev it. Oi. Yeah, so Hank's taking sweet ass time, bro. It's been like what, 11 years, 10 years. So you know what we're gonna do? This is what we always do to trick him. We go for a drive, you know, and he's gonna be like, "Oh, I can't come back, bro." And then, you know, I don't know what's taking him so long, bro. But... oh, look, he comes out now. See, it works, bro. I'm telling you, it works. Where's the Type S? Type S. Wait, what?
What's up?
Oh, ZPG sold the Type S.
Yeah, fuck, bro.
Oh, must be nice.
Freaking off.
Wait, what's next?
Fuck, I don't know, huh?
Jeez, stay tuned.
Yeah, Lamborghini.
Yeah? Yeah, just got our red rooster, but you know what's even better? Wow, that's actually clean. Wow, did you wash it?
No.
Wow.
Oh, you see the dent, bro?
Yeah? Oh shit, what happened?
Someone hit me there.
Fuck.
Slightly.
Fuck, muscle. But say G, the M3 bumper gonna look 100 times way better. Yeah? Oh, red rooster. Alright guys, we have made it back and here's a proper look at the M3 bumper. Not bad at all. It's a bit scratched, but don't worry, it's obviously gonna be painted anyways. And right here, Man went home, picked up the carbon lip. Oh, must be nice.
I forgot what it's called, but yeah.
Damn, must be nice. Mars Performance. Fuck. Oi, chuck it under.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, wow, must be nice. Fuck. Damn. Yeah, what's your M3 badge? What are you doing? Why are you shaking like that?
Because you gotta reduce oil. Reduce salt and sugar.
Yeah.
So all the salt and sugar is at the bottom. It's science.
Bro, I don't know what he's talking about, but
Yeah.
but yeah, he did fail science in high
Tastes
school.
better. Tastes better when you shake it like this.
Yeah. Oh, what that sound like?
Sound like Manhs car.
Oi, ZPG red rooster. What the hell? We should just got a burrito. And the chips are, what the heck? No diss to Moana, but fuck, come on.
Oh, I'm gonna fucking choke.
Choked on this dick. Motherfucker. Alright guys, so we just finished eating. Of course, Hack the slow cunt is still eating. But yeah, so obviously, you know.
What do you want?
Shut the fuck up! But yeah, as I was saying we just finished eating and now Man's, you know, assembling the bumper because it came with all these, you know, fog lights and like extra grills and stuff. So he's gonna put that in and hopefully it looks pretty sick. And then we can officially try and test fit it on. But for now, we gotta assemble it. Fuck.
They give me 3 brackets.
Yeah? We're going DIY bunnies. Oh, you got the good stuff?
Oh.
Oh, you got the good stuff? Yeah.
Alright, you really want to know?
Yeah, wow, what's in there?
Oh, I just ripped 10 grand.
Wow, 10 grams of what?
It's expensive in Australia right now.
Oh,
Can't
fuck.
get your hands on these.
Must be nice.
Authentic Woolies tissues.
Yeah, is that the good shit too?
I got it from work.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wait.
It's fresh, bro. Even smells like the workers.
Oh, but I got the real good shit too.
Fuck is that, motherfucker?
Huh? You know when your throat is sore after sucking dick?
Oh shit,
Take
give me
this.
some. Give me some, motherfucker.
Take it off. Take it off. Oh, his bumper. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yes. Clean.
Oh, popcorn.
Popcorn. Oi.
Wait, experience it. Put raw popcorn, put it in there and see if it cooks, you know?
Oh, like if it pops into your fucking popcorn.
Yeah, that means his car pops.
Yeah. Do you know why they call it a popcorn?
Because it pops corn.
Yeah. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
So much knowledge in my head.
Fuck, bro. Even though you failed year 7,
Yeah,
you
fuck,
still,
bro.
wow, you
No,
dropped
year
out.
6.
Oh, year 6 you
Yeah.
dropped out.
Yeah.
Oh, still good, still good.
No, not dropped out. They kicked me out.
Oh yeah, expelled. Oh, you need help, brother?
Yeah, 5 minutes ago.
Oh no.
It's fast then. No urgency.
Yeah. Oh, we're good, bro. He doesn't need help anymore.
Is that how you hit the bong? You got to fucking light it up, cunt. You meant to light the bottom of the bong. Bro, oh shit, you still fucked, bro. You're more fucked than before. Holy shit. Oh, stop, you're scaring me, bro.
Man, I'm not too sure if you realize, but it's like raining.
What's
Like-
rain?
Look, it's starting to rain. Oh, but his hair's like a mop anyways. Flip him. Oi, why did a Mexican push his wife off the bridge?
Why?
To kill her. Oh, look at those kicks. Give us a fat hack, bro.
Wait, give us a hack.
Yeah. Give you a hack, bro. Oh, shit. Right. Fuck.
Nice, huh?
Fuck, I haven't seen this guy in ages. Wow.
Too busy raising low in his car.
Yeah. If you know, you know. This guy, bro, low and raised his car so many times. Far out.
Save his money on airbags.
Yeah, bro. Still look the same, bro.
Still the same.
Oi, shots. What's up? Must be nice. Shit, bro. Oh, your color keeps changing, bro. Oh. Yeah. Wow. Oh, shit, boy. Wow, you going for the Iron Man theme? Yeah. Oh, shit.
That's Iron Man's dick.
Wow, say G. That's what Hayden's been doing, bro. He been jizzing on his own seats, bro. What the fuck? Yeah. shit, bro. Take it off, bro. Get a flow designs one. Fuck. You need a flow designs. Oi, what the heck, man?
Made his car cream pie.
Oi. What the fuck you doing?
There's a lot of water.
Wait, this guy doesn't smell like open water, but it's mixed with the soap.
Hey, shouldn't you guys put a bucket there or something?
Bro, I told these guys, they didn't listen.
No, we're trying to find it.
What the fuck is this?
Get a fucking
Tiny one.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
I got your bucket.
Oh, there's no more now.
Wow. Boy, slippery when wet. Yeah.
Where's the sign? Yeah, let's put the music in the back.
It's far. Hater removing his rear diffuser. Wow, you know, lightweight, you know, because he has to chop more GDRs right now. Because like, he can beat the GDRs, but not the GDSTs. I don't know why, but maybe this, if he removes it, he can beat the GDSTs. Damn, look at that exhaust, bro. Bigger than my future. Fuck. Yeah.
Oh,
I believe in you.
gonna be Scotty.
It's gonna be Scotty. Yeah. Alright guys, so I know it's a dodgy job, you know, as you can see there's grass everywhere, but check that out, not bad for DIY, and it's, you know, hella windy out here right now, but there was before and there was after, so pretty sick, eh? Not too bad until you get up close.
Where you put in, yeah? Yeah.
For RB26. Woo! Yeah. He said his battery was flat, but I don't know, it looks 3D, looks square. Oh, it must be nice. Damn.
Boom!
Damn. Oh, that's lit. That's lit. Oh, you hold on.
Let him out.
Light him out.
Drive it like that.
Oi, who's got the number for EPA? Hey, EPA gonna come up on your ass. Fuck. Oh, smart. Ooh. Yeah, man. 2020 Supra. Must be nice. Is that the new 2020 Supra? Fuck. Oh my god, is that a Supra?
Oh my god.
Is that a Supra?
Oh my god.
Is that a Supra?
God.
Whoa. Alright guys, so Manhs has now finished mocking up and test fitting the bumper and have a size. Here it is. Oof. So guys, don't worry, the number plate is hitting a bit low, but that's just, you know, yeah, yeah, that's just temporarily there because, you know, after he gets the paint in, he's gonna get the panel beaters to actually drill it in. So for now, it's gonna look like that, and you can't really see its details right now because it's just pure black. But I reckon once it's full painted with the carbon lip, it should look 100 times way better. But hey.
Even I'd say it's about maybe a 7.5.
Yeah, you didn't do much, yeah, and it worked.
Yeah.
But overall, not too bad. Not too bad.
Next time.
Oh, next time, yeah. But what do you guys reckon? 100 times way better? Or nah?
Okay.
Damn! Yeah, hey, come on! We gotta buy the M3 badge and chuck it on. Come on. Bro, right now, since the bumper is black, looks like shit, bro.
There's no bumper.
Yeah, it looks like it's just a universal bumper. But I reckon once you paint it, color match it, you'll see all the lines and stuff. It'll look way better, 100 times way better.
like government.
Oi!